concentration, the final outcome. So from here, you can drink straight that. Welcome back to our channel. This is MJ Fanbase again. In your short, this is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. If you don't know what bitter leaf is, this is how it looks like. Uh, Deep into the video, you see a closer a close-up look of the bitter leaf, so that when you see it anywhere, you'll be able to identify it and know what I'm talking about. A lot of people know this, especially, yes, here is it. This is bitter leaf. This is how it looks like. When you see it, you'll be able to identify it. So in your shot, as you can see, I'm holding it. I'm coming to prepare um some medicine. It's a herbal medicine which you take when you are not feeling too well, when you feel feverish or too much of a mosquito bite. Even if you have malaria, you'll be able to take it. Yes, this medicine has been with us for a very long time, and it's high time we share it with people for them to know, so that we'll do away with the chemical medicines we buy from the drugstores and the rest. So this is it. This is just all natural. Here we have uh, lemon. We have lemon or lime, whichever way you want to call it, and the bitter leaf itself. Yes, that is the bitter leaf itself. Here is it. Look at it closely. And this one is a neem tree. Neem tree. Mostly, preferably, we want the soft leaves at the latter end of the tree. So yes, so those are the ones we use for the herb preparation or the local medicine preparation. So here we are going to wash them thoroughly. This is the guava leaves. This is guava leaves. We wash them all thoroughly, and from there we'll start the preparation of the local medicine, which to boost your immune system. It takes care of malaria. It takes care of fever, and when you are not even feeling well, you take it, and in no time you will be okay, and you could see that it's really working. This medicine are from our great grandfathers who have been using this, and because the nature of the African medicine has not been documented, a lot of people don't know this, and because they don't write it anywhere unless you are with them and they are preparing it, you ask them questions. And so we've decided to document it this way and put it on video. Anybody that is interested to prepare some at your end, not that we will prepare it and send to you, no, we will just prepare it at your end, and you'll be able to enjoy it. And it's it's of no cost. Nature just have it in abundance, and nature provides it for us, and we will be able to get it for free. Yes, I think for free. Most of these things, they are not sold anywhere. In my area, you can just go to somebody's house and just go and pluck the leaves, and that is it. You prepare it, and at no cost. But maybe some people are living in the cities, and sometimes in the cities that is how it goes. So you have to buy it if you are in the city. Yes, sorry for that. But when we are within the rural setting, or areas where people like to plant vegetations around, and there are a lot of vegetations, you'll be able to get all these things I'm talking about. So here, as you can see, we are washing them thoroughly. We wash them with salt water. After washing them, and we'll be moving to the next stage after washing. So stay tuned and see how it's going to prepare. And this medicine is very effective. Yes, it's very effective. Anybody that have tasted this medicine before will attest to that. um to me, some time ago, I was feeling feverish, and they they mentioned that, oh, this medicine is so good. I've been seeing my folks doing it, but I've never tried it. And but since then, when I tried it, and I'm like, oh, okay, this thing is so effective, so effective. Yes. So here you can see we are washing them, and we are about to prepare it. So just keep watching, and you see all the process through which we are going to pass it through before it becomes the medicine that you need to take to cure fever, malaria, headache, and the rest. So stay tuned and let's all watch together. So after thoroughly washing it, we are coming to blend it. Yes, we are coming to blend it. So we are taking the leaves off from the stick so that it will blend easily in the blender. To easily be blended in there. So that is what we are doing here. So you carefully take all the leaves off and the harder part you break them all away and we put it in a blender. Add some a quantity of water and you blend it all together to have the liquid solution which we are all intending to get. So the blending is about to start and depending the quantity you want to prepare, yes, that is how effective the medicine is going to be. But mind you, don't pour too much of a water, don't pour too much water on it, otherwise you destroy the potency of the medicine. Yes, so just add some little amount of water depending on the quantity you want to prepare so that the potency of the medicine will still be strong and anytime that you take it will work for you effectively. Here we are getting ready to start the blending process. We've already added the water to the leaves that we've prepared. All the leaves we put them all together in a blender and here we are coming to blend it all together to have a solution. So here we go. So after blending for about 2 minutes, we turn the blender off and we are now about to strain it and extract the juice from it and prepare. The juice is what is going we are going to drink as the medicine. Here, as you can see, we are sieving it to take off the blended particles apart so that when you drink it, you have a smooth, nice taste. So you have a cloth uh, sieve. You can use that one also in blending it so that it will extract more particles from the medicine. Yes, so that is it. So from here, if the quantity of the water or the concentration of the medicine is too much, you add a little bit of water, preferably how you want it. Yes, but don't add too much water to it so that it will affect the potency of the medicine. These medicines all blend together, has a very high potency. After taking it, you see improvement in whatever that is doing you before taking it. Let's say you have a fever or malaria, after taking this, you notice that it's a vast difference. And this medicine, you just don't take it only for once. You This is how you take it. You take it early in the morning and in the evening, continuously for 3 days. One cup in the morning, one cup in the evening, continuously for 3 days. If the symptoms of the sickness that you are suffering from before taking this medicine has not vanished, then know that it's beyond this very medicine. But most of the time, it's so effective. You don't need to go to the hospital. But when you, after taking this, and you realize that you are not okay, you still have to visit the hospital for better clarification or some other medical test. Yes. So the lemon here will be added to the medicine. Here we are going to cut the lemon and add it to the medicine. And before we do that, here is it. We are cutting the lemon and adding it to the medicine. The reason is that this medicine is very bitter. After introducing the lemon into it, or the lime into it, it changed the taste a little bit, which makes it more tolerant or drinkable. It's so bitter, so you have to endure the bitterness and drink it morning, evening, and for 3 days. You'll see an improvement within whatever sickness that has suggested this medicine for you to take. So that is it. Continue watching our channel. All the informations that we have, will be sharing it with you guys. This is salt. We are putting a little bit of salt to calm the taste down a little bit, and when you drink it, you like it's drinkable and it's favorable. You like, not that you like it, but it's medicine. Ehen. Just that to bring the potency or the bitterness in the medicine a little bit down. That is why we do all this. So this is how the medicine look like, and from here you can be able to take it. And as I said, 3 times, 2 times daily, in the morning and in the evening. Yes. Maybe you are going to work, so you will not have time to take it in the afternoon. So early in the morning, you take it before you eat, and in the evening, you take it before you eat in the evening as well. So that is it. This is in your short the medicine that we've prepared, and it's so effective. Those that know about it can leave a comment, and will let us know if you've ever tried this medicine before. Was it effective? Yes, just share your opinion about this medicine in the comment section. Let's all get interactive. So see you in our next video. Continue to subscribe to our channel. If you are a newcomer here, this is MJ Fanbase, and we'll be bringing you all valuable information that we know within our area and all around, and we'll share all the information with you. So if this is your first time of watching this channel, this is MJ Fanbase again. Please subscribe to the channel as we go along, and we keep sharing valuable information with all our viewers on this YouTube street. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.